Tom Boyer from IR.Tools. He wanted to let you guys know a little bit about our law enforcement IR identification test and evaluation kit, the thermal only version. So why? Well, there's a few reasons. One, we're getting inquiries just about every day, and most of them run a little bit like this. Hey, IR.Tools, we just bought a drone, we're looking down, seems like it's going to be a great command and control tool, but everybody just looks like blobs, and we want to differentiate them. And so we've had lots of inquiries. Additionally, we have found out that these products, it's not a one-size-fits-all. And so because it's not a one-size-fits-all, what we've found out as we've been going through with different potential customers, the best thing is to get product into your hands and let you try it in your situation, and that will tell you what pieces and parts work best for you. Lastly, the other thing we found out is that not everybody is using night vision. And our original kit had thermal and night vision components. So this kit is just thermal, and so that's for folks that are not using night vision at all. So what is actually in the kit? So first of all, you're going to get a magnet-backed extreme thermal vehicle marker. And so you'll be able to take this and put it in various positions on the vehicle to let you see how vehicle marking can help you and how to use it best. Secondly, you're going to get some thermal patches. So you'll get 2 small and 2 large thermal patches. And these you can use to mark personnel. You can cut these up if needed in order to perform other tests and that sort of thing. But these are specifically for personnel. This is our high contrast thermal, so we can talk in more detail, but the extreme thermal is for vehicles. High contrast, we typically use that for personnel ID. Thirdly, we're going to give a piece of tape. So this piece of tape is the same technology as the patches. It's just in tape form to allow you to do some other tests where you don't have some Velcro loop on a uniform or whatever. The final thing you'll find in the kit is an instruction manual. So this has a number of best practices, ideas for testing, a lot of things to help you to go through and do your evaluation carefully. Now, all of this is about $250 worth of product. If you contact us and you're qualified as a law enforcement person or group, we're able to give a discount, and so that's 60% off, about $80. Okay, so a little bit about the test, because it's really important the way you do that. So we always recommend 30 days for the test. So in the past, we've had folks that went out one day and did a test, and that rarely works out well, and I'll tell you why. The reason we recommend 30 days, one, is because you need to do some work on where you place the markers. So that goes with the people and that goes with the vehicles. So where you place the markers on the people and vehicles actually has a significant effect on how well you see. As well, the number of patches. So we always recommend for personal that you have at least 2 patches, but even more is even better. Okay, so where do I put these? That's one important thing you're not going to easily test in one day. Secondly is, how does this technology work within my environment? So the environment does have an effect on these products. And so using them on hot days, cold days, overcast days, clear days, using it in a variety of different environments is very helpful. Additionally, in a city and a rural environment, depending on where you operate. All these different environmental considerations, it's very helpful to see the product in each of those. So your environment's important. Lastly is, how does this technology perform in my operations? So each operation is a little bit different. If you're on a search and rescue, if you're searching for a suspect, or whatever the operation is, the technology may be useful in a different way. And so you want to see the products in these different operations as well. So again, this 30 days helps you to figure out where can I best use the technology, how does the technology work best in my environment, and how does the technology work best in my operation. So we love to work with you guys, put this in your hand, let you do some tests. We will do a kickoff meeting to get you going and do a closeout meeting at the end and walk with you all the way along and make sure that you have a successful test. So thank you very much. Look forward to working with you. Bye now.